and where this subscapular branches out. So maybe just this little part, right? So I'm not going to test on that one.
So no subclavian?
I guess it's just this little part, right? Yeah. No subclavian. Yeah. So this is subscapular, and this is the axillary.
Axillary.
Yeah.
The jugular.
And we have actually this one. Sorry, it's not that one. It's this one. That's the azygous vein. Azygous vein.
Zygus?
Yeah. Azygos.
Zygus.
Yeah, azygos.
That one fills blood to the thoracic walls.
Yeah, it drains blood.
Oh, drains.
Yeah.
Okay.
Be sure of the direction, all right? If it's the vein, it drains blood from the tissue back to the vena cava, right? Yeah. All right. All right. Then we have the arteries, right? Here we have the aortic arch right above the heart, right? We have two branches. So the right one is brachiocephalic. The left one is
Subclavian.
left subclavian. You need to tell me, right? Yeah. Yeah. And then actually under this,
See it?
yeah, you see the branches.
That's the brachial.
That part's the brachial, right?
brachiocephalic.
So then we have this one's the left common
carotid.
carotid, the right common carotid,
Left
and
subclavian.
the right.
Right subclavian.
Yeah. So that's it for the upper part. Now we move into the abdominal, right? So this is the inferior
Vena cava.
cava, and we have renal vein.
Renal vein.
You see the artery as well, right? The arteries here as well, right? And at the end, let's do the end first, right? You see here, the artery is very clear, right? So this is the external iliac. This is the internal iliac. That little things, the tail stuff, right? This one, that's the iliolumbar. That's
What's that one?
iliolumbar. It goes to the leg.
We need to know that.
What do you think?
No.
No, no.
All right, so then forget about it.
But there's this.
Where's the veins? The veins.
No, iliac lumbar or some shit like that.
The veins. Could you dig a little bit?
Yep.
Because I cannot see the branch.
Okay, here.
So this is
Move you know what I'll do is let me take this and let me just take a little bit of
looks like that's the common iliac. I do
take
not
that
see the branch. The branching of the internal and external. She's very good.
I feel like I'm gonna fall in the middle of it.
good.
Now we see it, right? You see here.
Yeah. Oh here, look.
What's that?
That's here we have
iliac?
this is
Here, you want that?
yeah.
Here.
Here we have the common iliac
I
part.
thought you said they weren't common.
For the arteries, we
Okay,
don't
for the
have
arteries, all right.
common, but for the veins, we do. And then we have a branch, that's the internal iliac, see here? And then this is the external.
Vein, right?
Where?
This is the external.
Vein?
Vein, yeah. When it's blue, it's vein,
Yeah.
right? Okay. All right. So then we
Okay.
we take a look of these branches from the aorta. We go backwards, right? So this one you see, it's from aorta. It leads to the
The large
large
intestine.
intestine. So this is the inferior mesenteric, right? Inferior, yeah. And here you see this is very clear, right? It goes to
The small intestine.
small intestine, right? You see here, right? It goes to the small intestine. So this is superior mesenteric. Here it's not very clear. So
Cut it out.
that's
Here, I got the scalpel. Hold for me. Oh, come here.
trying to see if we can find that.
Oh, look, that's right in there. I'm gonna take this all out.
Let's see.
I don't wanna, I think this is just fat. Oh, there, that's just fat.
No.
Well, here's pancreas too, nice and clear.
Yeah. So now we see here
Oh, yeah,
a
yeah.
little bit. Right?
That's the inferior mesenteric?
No.
What's that?
This is inferior, right?
And then superior, right?
And superior. You need to be able to follow the blood vessel, right? To know which one it is.
So this,
Where's the hepatic artery?
Gastric. This is, yeah, so here we have three. You see here, right?
Oh, okay, yeah. I see
Yeah.
it.
So this is just by the direction.
Is it splenic?
Is this one the splenic?
no, right?
Yeah, it goes that way, right? So it's the hepatic,
Oh, which one?
right?
Which one? Let me take that a little out of the way. It's in the way.
Here, this thing, right? You see the direction it goes to, right? So that's a hepatic,
That's all.
and this one,
It's gonna be gastric.
Gastric.
Yes, sure.
Gastric.
this is the splenic,
Oh, yeah.
splenic,
here, here.
right?
Yeah.
The gastric
It's
is
further
the one,
out.
Oh, underneath.
Okay.
Okay, I see.
And so this whole thing is the celiac
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 arch.
trunk,
Trunk.
yeah.
You can't see? Come in, look. I'll hold this. That's okay, go ahead. All right, show. So the three, it branches.
Hepatic, right there.
That's this is the.
Yeah, there you go. Can I, is this something I can take out? Well, I'm taking it out.
The one all the way on the right is the splenic. No, hepatic.
It's because of the direction
Hepatic,
Hepatic.
yeah.
It's
is
going
going up.
to the liver. And then here, it's going to the spleen.
The splenic.
All right, and then back, it's going to the stomach, gastric.
Gastric. Okay.
So middle is gastric. There's a way to remember that, right?
He got sick.
He goes, what is it?
What's the one you use?
Gets sick,
He gets sick.
right?
He gets sick.
Human
He
goes
gets
to.
sick.
Hepatic.
What did you get? Human goes to.
Humans get surgery.
Human gets surgery.
All
Right.
right, whatever. Then, very important, the portal system, all right? The portal system. So here, oh, now it's broken. Poor thing.
You can still use it.
Yeah, I can still use it, right? You can see this one.
Yellow is the portal system.
So it's the
So that's the
inferior.
yellow's the portal system. This is the inferior mesenteric vein,
Going to
right?
the large.
Going to the large intestine. And here's
So the yellow is the thing, right?
yellow,
It's
is
the
the portal,
system.
yeah. And here's the superior mesenteric. That goes to the small intestine,
And you
right?
see really nicely how the artery
Yes,
comes
it
out
branches out.
beautifully into the intestine.
Here,
And that's the gastros.
yeah.
No, that's,
No, this is the superior mesenteric because it goes to the small intestine,
and this is
right?
the.
and these are the artery, right? So getting everything,
Inferior.
right?
Yes.
Arteries
You
is,
see here, this is the artery, right? It comes in from this side and branches. And here's the vein. It branches.
so think about it this way, all the blood is coming through the
Gastro-
artery and all the nutrients are going back to the vein.
Yeah.
Where's the
Maybe it's easier to, let's see if I can put it, yeah, this way is probably easier, right? Yeah. Except the inferior.
Right, we have a little breakage.
Yeah, you'll see here.
Where's the gastrophrenic?
See this one?
That's it.
Yeah,
Okay.
gastrosplenic, right? It has a couple of
And there's
branches.
the spleen right there.
Yeah,
And what would that be
so
on the right?
on the right, this one?
No, the other one.
This one? Yeah. So this is when they join together, this is the hepatic portal vein. Leads to the liver, right?
And
Yeah.
then on the other side, you see inferior and superior.
So here you know the 3, and then unfortunately this one's a little bit broken.
But still, it's pretty clean.
All right, so if I put a pin here and say yellow, you know this is the inferior.
Mesenteric, right?
Watching News 12, they changed a lot of areas.
And this would be the superior.
Almost like in Jersey, if you've been displaced, you go.
Yes, the email.